Number one, I just want to say the following, that we've spent 4 years on this matter, and today we are happy that the matter has come to conclusion, and the verdict to acquit us is something we want to say we are happy about. But also, let me say that it was quite unfortunate that a good program that was meant to empower the youth of Uasin Gishu County was actually interfered for political reasons, just because some people think you can destroy programs so that you can destroy other people's political careers. I want to say that the program was an open program, and I'm proud of that program because as we speak today, Uasin Gishu County has more than 350 students in Finland. Yes. And about 100 students in Canada. Amen. The most unfortunate thing is that if the program was continuing, by now, probably we would be having more than 2,000 students from our county in those countries. Let me say that the verdict that has been rendered today was to clear us from the allegation that we abused office, that we stole money, which was not the case. I also want to say categorically that I left office when the program was running on the 22nd of August 2022, and by that time, that account that was cited in court had an amount of 108 million in that account. After I left, more than 60-70 students also still proceeded to travel for overseas studies and also to seek employment opportunities. I'm consciously aware that the parents whose children didn't travel and their money was spent on other children still need to get their money back. Yes. And this verdict affords us the opportunity to now pursue those parents and children who were paid for by the trust using funds that were meant for other children, and whose approval was done when I had already left office, that they must take responsibility. They cannot today be enjoying permanent houses that have been built by those children. Some are driving. Some have even achieved their wildest dream of traveling all the way to Finland, a dream they would never have had if the children would not have gone to Finland. I therefore want to urge the beneficiaries who know themselves and who know they benefited from the program and who are supported and are enjoying the benefits of the program, that they should speak to their conscience and refund the money to the trust so that those parents who are suffering out there can get their money. Number three, the politics of the program now is over. Yes. We want to urge the county government of Uasin Gishu, because that is a county program, to take responsibility and follow up and make sure that those parents are refunded. Finally, let me thank my legal team, Wakili Kibet, Amen. Wakili Limo, Wakili Jebon, Wakili Kibungei, and all our other legal experts who worked with us in this journey. I also want to thank the people of Uasin Gishu, our supporters. who have consistently, for the 4 years, we have had people who have spent their resources and their time to travel to Nakuru to stand with us for the 4 years. I want to thank you and tell you we are on course when it comes to matters developing our county, standing with our people. We shall stand firmly behind the people of Wasingishu so that they can get involvement. So we are committed to the cause and we want to make sure that we succeed as a county. And I want to encourage the young people of our county that we shall continue to work together, even in achieving more than what we can. It is my sincere hope that the county government of Wasingishu, led by Governor B, can now reconcile their thoughts and conscience so that they can restart the program and ensure the people of Wasingishu have benefited. This is a program that is well in line with the UDA manifesto of Kasimaju. And you'll agree with me that other than those children going to work, they have acquired academic qualifications slightly higher than what they would have achieved if they were here in the country. Today, they are making a contribution in the global space on matters health. They are making a contribution in terms of remittances to this country. And I want to urge all our young people who benefited from the program, and they know themselves they benefited from the program, that it is in their responsibility and interest to also make sure that that money is refunded and also support other young people from the county. When the president visited Finland the other day and met the Kenyan community, 80% of those the president met were actually students that went through this program. To demonstrate that what we were doing was actually in line of trying to alleviate the lack of jobs, the lack of opportunities, and reducing the number of youths who are not economically engaged so that their lives can also improve. So I hope the county government will revisit that matter and now make good with the universities that we had relations and the countries. And the governor should have a public apology for politicizing the program, of course escaping and making sure it didn't appear in court, so that our young people can continue the benefit. Let me just ask my counsel here at Chebon to just say one or two things.
Fire. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you so much for the support that you have given to the senator. We have been the legal team that we have been burning the midnight oil, prosecuting his case. I want to thank my colleagues for standing and fighting very hard for the senator. The senator has faithfully and diligently submitted himself to the court for the last close to 3 years. Secondly, many people may be asking themselves many questions. It is important that the public knows that the governor of Wasingishu County, who was a witness, failed to show up despite several summons issued by the court, despite there being a warrant of arrest. So it is very important that this is a very important case that ought to have helped the people of Wasingishu County, but it took a political tangent. As we speak right now, we have firm instructions. We have issued demand letters to parents who have defaulted, who failed to pay the money from the trust. And right now, as we speak, the court has vindicated the senator. And we are going to pursue those who failed to pay the amount of money as required. Thank you so much.